In this video, I'm going to show you how to manage and moderate product reviews. But in order to do that, we need to enable reviews for our products first. So let's navigate over to products by clicking on products over here on the left-hand side. And then I'm going to click into my bow tie product over here. And to enable reviews, I'm going to come here to the right-hand side and click on settings. And then I'm going to click reviews. Then I'm going to go ahead and save those changes. Now I'm going to go and enable reviews for a couple of products. So we've got our bow tie that's got that. And we've got, let's do it for our dog bed. We want to come here to settings again. We want to enable reviews, save, come back. Let's go to our dog box subscription as well. We might as well enable reviews for all of our products. Why not? So dog color, settings, reviews, save. So it's quite quick to do this. All right. And then we've just got one more that we want to enable reviews for. So now what I want to do is actually go and leave a review on my products. And in order to do that, I need to have a product catalog on my website. So I'm going to navigate over to my website by clicking on View Your Website on the top left-hand side. And then I'm going to add a new block. I'm just going to do this on the home page of my website. You would create a new page for your products, but I'm simply going to do it here on the home page for the example of this video. So I'm going to add a new block. And I'm just going to simply add an empty block. I'm going to delete one of these columns, and I'm going to, in this column, look for my product catalog. So here I'm going to say product catalog, select the product catalog module, and that's been added to my page. I'm then going to go ahead and publish this page. And now what I want to do is log in as a user and leave some reviews. So I'm going to log in as Betty White and leave some reviews on the products that she purchased previously. So I'm going to navigate into Betty's area. And then we've got all these products and we can leave reviews on some of these products. So Betty bought a bow tie. Wow, that's a tongue twister. Betty bought a bow tie. And I'm going to click on See Details here. And it says here, be the first to add a review. So Betty can go ahead and add a review and we can leave a rating. So I'm going to make it 5 stars. We loved the bow tie. Then we can type out our review. Loved the bow tie. That's super cute on Mr. Happy. And then we could go ahead and make this anonymous or not. If it's anonymous, it's only going to show the first name. If it's not, it will show their full details. So then I can go ahead and add the review. So now you'll see that this review is pending approval. So we need to go and moderate this review to either approve or decline what this review is saying. So let's navigate back to the admin area. And I'm going to navigate back out of our web page builder. And then I want to come back to products. And from products, I'm going to click on reviews. And you'll see here we've got that review that Betty has left. And it says, yeah, love the bow tie, super cute on Mr. Happy. We like that review. So what we're going to do is click on this review and we're going to say approve. Again, when you click on the review, you'll be able to see all of the details as well, including the product that this review is for, who left it, the status, and the actual review. So I'm going to go ahead and approve that review. And then you'll see that that status has changed to approved. So when I navigate back to Betty's side and I reload the page, you'll see that that review has been approved and it's good to go. But what if Betty bought a product that she wasn't particularly fond of? So we come back to our home and I'm not sure, I think she may have bought the dog collar. Yes. So maybe the dog collar was a bit small, so she didn't really like it. So she's going to add a review. She's going to change her rating. She'll say maybe 2 stars. Too small. Not a great fit for Mr. Happy. And again, we can just leave the review. I'm going to show you what it looks like when we say it's anonymous. So now she's going to add the review. And again, it's pending approval. So I'm going to navigate back to the admin area and refresh my reviews here. And then we'll see we've got this review here that says not too small, not a great fit for Mr. Happy. So we can click into this and we can either reject it or we can approve it. And for the sake of this one, it's a 2-star review. It's not bashing my product. It just says it's too small. So for this review, I am going to say approved. And then I'm going to navigate back to Betty's side and refresh this. And you'll see here as well that it's anonymous. That review is there. And Betty can come along and she can edit her review if she wants to. So let's say Betty edits her review. She drops it to 1 star and she says, absolutely rubbish. And then again, hits edit review. It's now pending approval again. So we want to go and moderate that review again. So I'm going to come back, refresh my reviews section over here, and we can see, oh, Betty White didn't like her product at all. And we can go ahead and actually reject this. If she's just bashing our product and not being useful at all, we can just reject that review. And so if I navigate back to Betty's area over here and I refresh it, you'll see that that review has been declined. Now, something else you can do here with your reviews in the admin area is actually filter through your reviews. So you'll see here on the top right-hand side, we have all reviews. Then you can view only your approved reviews. You can view only your declined reviews, and you can review your pending reviews. So that is one way to sort through your review inbox over here. You'll also notice that you get notifications on the top right-hand side when someone leaves a product review for your products. So that is how you can manage and moderate reviews here within the system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add surcharges to your products. I'll see you there.